Hello. In this short video, you will learn how to log into NetFile as a filing officer. Let's begin at the Ethics Commission homepage. From the top menu, hover over Compliance and select City Officers and Employees. On the right-hand side, a menu appears. Select Form 700, also known as a Statement of Economic Interests. A new list of options will appear. Click on Filing Officers. This brings you to the information page for filing officers. This is a good page to bookmark for future reference as it has a lot of helpful information. In the Quick Access Links section, click on the first link labeled NetFile SEI Admin Filing Officer Login. The NetFile login page will open up in a new tab. Please note, this is not the same login page used when filing a Form 700. Instructions for Form 700 filers are in a separate mini video. Now, to request a new password, filing officers must reach out to NetFile directly due to security issues. Now, their email address is staffhelp@netfile.com, or you can simply visit NetFile's homepage at netfile.com and select Get Help. From here, you can submit a support ticket to request a password reset.